Popular Jamaican Canadian promoter killed 2 days after arriving on the island. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Jamaican-born Canadian citizen was shot and killed at an Airbnb in St. Andrew on Friday night. The deceased has been identified as Michael Thompson, otherwise called Wayne or World Great. Wayne is said to be an event promoter who came to Jamaica to attend the party. CCTV footage shows the Jamaican Canadian citizen standing at a gate at the Airbnb, waiting for a visitor before his life was taken. If you look closely, you could see a vehicle pulled up outside the gate. Then a man exited the vehicle and the vehicle drove off. At this time, this was where the visitor pulled a gun from his waistband and opened fire, hitting Mr. Thompson multiple times. This was just before he dropped a hat on the ground that was given to him by Mr. Thompson. This was used as a distraction in order to pull the gun from his waistband. In the video making rounds on social media, you can see Wayne opening the gate for the visitor and was fatally shot multiple times soon after in his head and upper part of his body. His relatives had vowed to contact the Canadian embassy to assist in the investigation. Relatives said that the 36-year-old Michael Thompson arrived in Jamaica on December 25th to attend the party. Mr. Thompson, who was born in Jamaica, was shot and killed while at an Airbnb in St. Andrew. The police have since commenced an investigation but have not yet established a motive for the killing and has so far ruled out robbery. Since news of his past had started to circulate on social media, a number of individuals have sent condolences to his families and friends. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story plus more to come on the program.